We start the 6 tonight with Jeffrey Willis on the stand defending himself today. It was an unexpected turn in the trial.
Today, he tried to explain the evidence against him and tell the jury that he didn't murder Rebekah Bletsch. But did he slip up?
24-Hour News 8's Heather Walker has more on what might have been a mistake made by Willis.
Willis sat on the stand speaking for the most part in a calm tone. He testified he was heading to Duck Lake State Park to take his dogs out when he saw the teen girl walking.
At first I thought I should stop, but she wasn't quite where I needed, and she was on the other side of the road, so I turned down Weber.
That possible slip-up of where I needed her could affect the jury's decision in this case. If not, there was plenty of other testimony that will affect their decision, including testimony about Willis's alibi for Bletsch's murder.
I did not kill Miss Bletsch. I wasn't even there. I was home.
He said he was cutting his grass.
There's nobody else that can verify that but you.
Well, my wife, she was home.
I see. So what I'm saying is, if your wife has no recollection of that, the only one that can verify that is you.
Yeah, I guess.
Willis also addressed the list of serial killers that he had.
Why have you got a list of serial killers?
I don't have any work in a shop, but when Miss Harrigan went missing, the rumors were, flying around, and there happened to be somebody that I work with that thought it was maybe a serial killer or something like that.
He also testified about the other list found at his grandfather's house.
But you wrote this note, right?
I did.
All right. And it contains a kit with handcuffs and keys. You wrote that?
I wrote everything on there, including the clothes part on top.
And matches and gas can?
That is correct.
Video from house, if any?
That's correct.
The other part of it, underwear and her panties? You wrote that too?
I wrote that too.
Zip ties? You wrote that?
That would be in the bottom section, yes.
Okay. Restraint board? You wrote that?
I did.
Bag of rubber gloves?
I believe, yeah, that's on there too.
Now, that soundbite that you heard from the testimony of the possible slip-up, that was in regards to the teen abduction. Willis testified today that he was the man that picked up the teen, but he was just trying to help, he said. Now, of course, prosecution questioning him, well, if you were trying to help, then why did you end up leaving the scene, and why didn't you say that you were that man when it hit the news? And when police asked him about it, he said he was trying to avoid being arrested. All of it very strange, Brian. And also interesting, we learned today that the prosecutor only learned that Willis would take the stand during that lunch break today.
Okay, talk about Willis's demeanor during the testimony. He seemed like a cool customer, Heather. And how do you think the jury was responding to his testimony?
Right. Well, Willis was very calm when he first took the stand. He sat there. He immediately pivoted his body towards the jury, was making eye contact with them as he was talking. He was calmly speaking for the most part, except for I think we heard it at 5 when he was asked about the phone records that were being stored in that VIX file. He raised his voice when the prosecution was throwing questions at him about that. But other than that, he was pretty cool and collected and calm. As far as the jury, I was watching their faces as they were listening to his testimony, and unfortunately, they were hard to read.
All right. Heather Walker, thank you for that live update.